Hello everybody. Today at Bob's Watches, we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Skydweller 326934. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2012 or later. The characteristics include a stainless steel bracelet with a folding oyster lock clasp and an EasyLink 5mm comfort extension link. The dial is black with luminescent index hour markers with the date, month, and a GMT second time zone, a 24-hour display in the off-center disc, as well as a month display via 12 apertures around the circumference of the dial. The case is 42mm and is a stainless steel with an 18-karat white gold fluted bezel and contains an automatic 9001 movement. This Skydweller comes with a Rolex box, booklets, a wallet, and a Rolex warranty card dated May 2019. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 326934 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.